This is Cara Brandon, and I'm here today to share my Christmas kit. I recently made a fall kit, and I thought it would be fun to get going on my Christmas kit, and it's finished because I know some of you are already making Christmas journals, so I thought this would be a fun thing to kind of add to your collection if you're interested. It will be in my Etsy shop, which is in the description below. All right, and this kit has lots of greens and reds, and then I've also thrown in some of this fun blue. The reason I wanted to toss in some of the blue is in my journal that I'm going to make, I want to use some of the new Tim Holtz paper, and he has this fun teal blue color in his paper pad, and I thought, ooh, that would be kind of a fun mix for the junk journal. And again, there's lots of ephemera throughout the kit, and there's birds and cardinals and some traditional Christmas, icons that you'll see. Like this one with the vintage Santa. I just love this color of green. Has some text that's layered with some vintage postcards. And then this one we have the berries, the holly berries, and then I have some coffee stains. I thought that was kind of fun. And this carriage card. And then here we have a little bit different, but there's, in the background, there's music sheets. And then we have a viewfinder and some paint palettes and more of the ephemera. So this could be Christmas, but you could also use this in an everyday journal. And here's more of those blues that I was talking about, with kind of a coffee stained look, and the flowers with the pine cones and the pines and the holly together. Here's another vintage Santa. And then this one is a watercolor background, again with the viewfinder. And I just love the reds and this color together. Just love that combo. And then this one is a little bit more of a plain background, perfect if you want to add pockets, or if you want to add journaling or different things here at the bottom of the page in your journal. And just a fun evergreen going across with some ornaments and a fun plaid. This one has different poinsettia flowers, and again some of the music sheets and a little vintage card. This one is also kind of going on the paint watercolor theme with some watercolor splotches and the paint palettes again, and a vintage girl. Here's more of the ephemera and an old ledger kind of page, and Santa handing out toys to the girls. And here we have just a plain plaid in that teal kind of fun bluish green color. So this you could use if you printed double-sided as a back to your journal pages. Or if you recently watched I'm a Cool Mom, what she did is she did sewing around the outside of her pages and then left the top open, and then that becomes a really big pocket. So that's another idea. Here's another plaid, but in the green. This would be really fun to use as backing for the tags that you'll see in a minute too. And here we have another fun background. Also fun, that would be, a background that would be great for pockets or different tuck spots. And then there's 2 element pages that you can cut out, so ephemera, and these are great for journaling cards. You could also cut these out and then make them as a pocket on the page. A bingo card, there's the viewfinder and a poinsettia. And then this one is a postcard where you could cut out this and have it as an individual postcard, or this one you can lay on top of the other postcard, so it's a double layer postcard with fun ephemera to go with it. And then there's 3 pages of tags. There's the red page, the kind of creamy white page with the 3 different tags. And like I was saying, this would be fun to take one of those backgrounds and add it to the back if you didn't have coffee dyed paper. There's that one. And then there's also a green one with some red lace and the poinsettias and the birds and the plaid. And then you have 1 sheet of smaller tags, so 6 total, kind of shrunk down the large tags. If you want, you could even shrink them down more, and you could shrink these down. There's a lot of options for when you go and print. Like I said, there's 19 pages. Lots of fun things to play with and work with in your Christmas junk journal. And go check out the Etsy link. Like I did with my first kit, I will have a sale running for the first few days of this being live in my shop. And let me know what you think. What do you think of these Christmas colors? And I'm excited. I've been having a lot of fun. Can't wait to make my next one. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.